Hello everyone, here is Leo, and today we're gonna do a very fun mixed media project. I will use it for it a 20 by 20 canvas frame, and we're gonna start painting the background. For the background, I choose this beautiful green color. It's the Petrol green that comes in this kit from the Patina texture, and we are gonna just painting all the background using this color. I selected one of the rice paper from the Stamperia Brocante collection, and I'm just tearing in small pieces, and I will glue these small pieces using the rice glue. I'm gluing it, not following a pattern, just spontaneously, and then I'm gonna seal all these pieces with the rice glue. To accelerate the process, I will use a heating tool just to make the glue dry faster. Let's continue working our background, adding some texture with the volume paste. I love to work with the volume paste. It's very soft and easy to modeling, and it gives you a very nice texture at the end. I'm also applying it on the top of the rice paper. It will give us a very nice effect. I'm adding one more layer to our background using the Cracklé Paste in the color gold. Like the name says, once it's dried, it gives you this crackle effect. At last but not least, I will spray a little bit of Aqua color in the surface and take the excess with a paper towel. Now that we are done with our background, let's start to work on some embellishments. I decided to create some clay figures using the stone clay from Stamperia. It's very easy to use. You just have to mix one volume unit of component A with 2 volume units of component B, which is the powder. And the secret is really to mix well. After that done, you just have to pour in a mold. I'm using here the mold from the Stamperia Nutcracker collection. Let it dry completely before you take off from the molds, and look how beautiful it looks already. I also create some small embellishments like these walnuts and also stars. It's very cute. I'm very happy with the result. Let's cover now the embellishments with the primer. The primer will make the paint that we're gonna use on top look more homogeneous, and also will avoid it to crack. I chose the Allegro acrylic painting in the color Cappuccino to paint the walnuts, and the metallic rustic copper to paint the stars. The metallic rustic copper is another color that belongs to the Patina texture kit. It's a very beautiful gold. It's really perfect to paint in these stars. I'm now using another color for the Patina texture kit. This one's the Aqua Pearl. It's a beautiful green, and I will cover all my Nutcracker guys with it. You will see that all these colors from the Patina texture kit match really well with the Stamperia Nutcracker collection. To finish our work here, I will apply the gold patina on top of our nutcrackers. There are 2 ways of using this product. You can apply with your fingers like I'm doing in the first one, or you can use a brush. I love the vintage look that this product gives. It's time now to put everything together. As a base, before I start to place all the clay elements and also some ephemeras and some die cuts, I will use this paper piece with a nutcracker printed on it that I cut from the 12 by 12 paper pad. And to create more depth, I'm coloring the edges using the Stamperia ink pad in the color red. After glue the paper on the canvas, let's start to place the other elements, starting by the nutcrackers, and now I will select some ephemeras and some die cuts. These items are also for the Nutcracker collection, and I will place them as I want on our canvas. I added a string to the bell die cut, and I put it hanging on the canvas like it's hanging on the ceiling. It's time to add the stars and the small walnuts, and because I'm a huge fan of quotes, I decided to add one. It says "Magic is in the air." As a final touch, I'm adding a little bit of sand paste on the edges to give a snow effect. And of course some splatters. It is done and ready to decorate my house in the Christmas time. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!